you think, Russ? Still some snow on the roads out here, but we're still doing it. Nothing like getting an early start, right?
Yeah, I got your gloves.
Yeah, you did. Look at those. Damn right. Woohoo! So it's snowing now. Russell went way ahead. This is the earliest we've been able to ride out here. I know, and out here it's snowing on us. What the hell is going on?
Giant snowpack on your head.
Oh gosh. Well, let's check it out. Let's see what else we got. I gotta get back through this part.
Where do we go?
You know which way to go. Just keep following the road. Follow the road. Go. Snowing good now. I guess winter's not over yet. It just came in hard on us. Whoa. Oh yeah. It is a blizzard all of a sudden. Look at this, guys. Ah! Oh man! Woo! Oh. Okay. Watch out! There's a car. Yeah, so we got back from a ride. It started snowing real crazy. Now the sun's up, but it's still snowing a little bit. We got muddy. Got the fire going. Pirate flags flying. Was able to drive the truck down finally. There's still a little bit of snow up on the road. Yep, good times.